Hello, lovely people. Welcome to the House of Jane. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm happy to have you. I do all sorts of unboxing videos, crafting videos, product reviews, and today I am going to unbox the March 2021 Sew Sampler box. I am really excited about this one for some reason. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. So let's cut the tape and get started. I don't know. I did see some things on Facebook. There's like a Facebook swap group and people were just gushing over this box. So let's see what it's all about. Okay, today the theme is happiness is homemade. I could 100% agree with that. I love crafting and I love homemade things. It makes me happy. And the coupon for this month is 25% off Martindale books at the Fat Quarter Shop. I'm sorry, I cannot share the code. People will get mad at me if I share the code, so I am not gonna do it. Okay, this is the box. It doesn't look like a lot, but let's see what it is. Here's the product card, which I will review the items in it as I open. The first thing I see, I'm just gonna grab the bright and shiny thing. This is, oh wow. This is a silver needle case, not actual real silver, but look at that, oh, it's really pretty. I like that, it looks so vintage. And you put your needles in there, pins or needles. Another alternative instead of a needle book or one of those plastic cases that the needles come in. This is really good. I would love to do this on traveling. Let's see how much that is worth. That's $5.48. That's a bargain. I would definitely buy this in the stores. Okay, let's go to the next notion before we do anything else. It's just a set of bobbins, and they call them rainbow bobbins. Okay. I don't really need this, but you know, maybe go in a future giveaway. And that is worth $1.48. So perfect for spring. Okay, and the other notion is silicone dots for your sew tights. Okay, I don't have my sew tights anymore. I actually don't have that box anymore, but this is it was from the January box. So you would put these silicone dots on the back of those little magnets, but you know, really you can use this for anything. You can put it on the back of rulers so they don't, you know, slide. That's what I would probably use these for. So let's see, how many do we have in here? Oh, it's just nine of them. Okay, there we go. That is $8.48. That's kind of pricey, cause yeah, that is kind of pricey, but oh well, now you got them. Let's get to the fabric. We have not one, but two 5-inch charm packs. Corey Yoder. So a charm pack has 42 5-inch squares. Very nice. It's by Moda. So coriander quilts, coriander, spice. So I am not going to flip through every little one, but you can see you have your low volumes. I will try to find a picture that I can post online right here in the YouTube universe so you can see them. But it's really nice prints. Ooh, I like that. Little flowers. Oh, this is sweet. You can make little labels out of that one. So you have your set of blues, and then it goes into the set of yellows of the same print. Very nice. And then greens. See? And then you go into your, well, a lot of greens. It looks like you go into your grays. And more grays. This is really nice fabric. It's very calming. It's very northern, wherever. I don't know, it's just very homespun. So if this is your thing, you're in luck. I really like this a lot, and I'm very happy that there are 2 charm packs. Anyway, that is $19.96, so $20. So let's get to the pattern. We're done with the notions. We're done with the fabric. So this is track 12 of the Greatest Hits pattern. I personally have not been following along on this, but I did find some blocks I really like just to make. You know, a single, you can make pillows out of them, placemats. And then these are the instructions to put together the 12 blocks of the quilt. So if you're a fan of this, you can finish the quilt. Awesome. And then here's the pattern. Oh, they put in a really nice cardstock this month, which they usually do anyway. And it is a table topper. It's also by Corey Yoder. And I can tell right away that I probably wouldn't make the mute grays. I would pick another color, but I'd probably do the whites. I don't know, we see. And the finished size is 36 by 36. So this is, you know, you can probably do this in a weekend. Well, knowing me, probably a few weekends. I'm kind of like a very slow cutter. I hate cutting. Very cool. So it's a bunch of 9 patch blocks and half square triangles. So yeah, not a difficult pattern. This would be very good for a beginner. So what did you think of the Sew Sampler for March? I think it's a home run. I rate this box an A. I like it a lot. Not too crazy about some of these notions, but this one makes up for it. This one is really sweet. And I personally love this fabric. I really do. I love Moda. And I don't know. I just love stuff like that. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, guys. I am working hard on my YouTubing. I'm coming up on, well, I've been doing this now for like 10 months. So yeah, I'm coming up on 1 year on YouTube. And if you're watching this video today, which is Saturday, tomorrow I am drawing the winner of my Whole Foods beauty bags. So you have less than 24 hours to enter that giveaway. You have to be a public subscriber to my channel or a subscriber. We can figure out the details afterwards because I do respect when people keep their subscriptions private. And just comment on the Whole Foods video, which I will try to post right up there. So give me a thumbs up, please. I'd love it. And comment. I answer all my comments. I'd love to know where you're from. Do you like to sew? Do you want to sew? So what's going on? You happy it's spring? I am happy. Spring is around the corner. So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Bye-bye all.